Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into close.io and connect to RingCentral calls step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for close.io and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. Input your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Click on the Sign In button to access your close.io account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu, often represented by a gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings page. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations section and click on it. Find the option for RingCentral among the list of integrations. Click on the RingCentral integration to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to authorize close.io to access your RingCentral account. Click the Authorize button to proceed. If prompted, enter your RingCentral credentials to log in. After successful login, you should see a confirmation message indicating the connection is established. Return to the close.io dashboard to verify that your RingCentral calls are connected. Make a test call from your RingCentral account to ensure everything is working properly. If successful, you are now fully connected and ready to use RingCentral calls within close.io. Feel free to explore other features and settings available in close.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.